like that, so
yeah.
right this to down.
Korean man. Watch it. Jeez. Whole heap of rain a fall, you know. And rain a fall from me up on South Camp Road and me not drive fast. Watch ya. Goalie this turn, you know, watch ya. Watch ya. Goalie. Watch ya. Yo. This is serious, man. A whole heap of, come like I said, the rain a boil up, you know, like when somebody a trouble somebody and the person a boil up and they just get mad and just say blood. Yo, come like that the rain do. Cause even last night, me I say yo the sky white. White like somebody paint it, me I tell you. Me I say yo rain a go fall, but last night I want to look at drizzle. Look at drizzle, but jeez and pee. But you know say, me did feel it, you know. That's why I'm telling you, say yo, go underneath the tent, go sit down. Cause I know say the rain, I feel it, man, I feel it.
I told you, yes, sir.
Wait.
Right where you drive.
Yes. Why? Goalie down there, so turn at ya.
And that bombard. Probably rain did that fall yesterday a long time then.
I know could be that, you know, that when you see the rain, you know, that means say it just start fall.
It's probably just started to fall weedy there.
Yeah. Holy rain, you know, man. Don't know, you know, pressure bus pipe time, you know, man. Pressure. You know the weather, yeah. Nah, not even peace now get pressure. Like so, you know? Yeah. Behave yourself, no man. Watch ya. Quarter. Watch it. Quarter. Okay. River come down in a man. Maxfield Avenue with the pan. This is when I said famous Johnson Plaza, yeah. Jaja God.
For the chase.
For the chase.
Police chase.
Yeah. Yo, may I tell you, say, Father, whole heap of rain falling, man. Oh God, man. Whole heap of rain fall. Yeah, now give me a blind.
Whole heap of water.
Yeah, now whole heap of the rain come like it's not ready for done yet. Chacha God, I wish you. I'm going to take me to try to avoid the water road, you know. Serious people, watch ya.
Very serious.
Watch ya.
A long time.
A river me a driving, you know. A river me a driving, you know.
Long time rain a fall. And I just
watch ya. River me a drive in a. Yeah. I don't know where patrol them there right now. I reverse road me come on and flood out and full of patrol. Well, full of patrol, it have patrol. One big old one they down there saying, Lord Jesus.
Right where
carry yeah. Oh God, you see man make sure I take him time like him say Father God.
Over inside and
yeah, me know. Like him say Father God. Do not make me drop in this raw there. When if you take that road and go round so and come up
try,
and
you know it?
Yeah, you carry back out so.
I never drive on it, come drive.
Carry back out on the road there so for me back round on the road.
Yeah, and a peer patrol the road.
Yeah, and around the flood out, you so look better man. You know see? Just have less water.
I see it.
Yeah, go down here so make a turn. Watch the Jaguar there. And the Jaguar. Watch her.
You never see.
You never see?
Yeah. A Jaguar.
Yeah. If you're loving the video and you're loving the vibes, please remember to hit the like button and press subscribe. Yeah. Yeah, so your turn. Yeah. Now go so which way you go.
You sure?
Yes. See where they want to go. See it?
Oh!
Yeah. Take care back one. What that road name again? One weird name.
A whole heap of water they come here.
Yeah, we cut out all light. See there? And reach back on how this? Amara Road.
Amara Road.
Road, yeah. Almost now, but we couldn't go down on that one there. Because that one there flood out. Gone down the road.
Yeah, drive, go down in the entire turn right.
Turn right and go away.
Go round the shortcut and go up on Abbey Park Road from the stoplight. You don't know the road here?
Oh, yeah. I know that road there. The one if that I go block up like a small road there.
Nah, black up. I just saw me drive.
Well, look like I just saw alone, babe. See there? Alright, I say, you know?
Oh, so down further.
Yeah, alright. I said, watch out. Goalie. I should the water come. I hope they say the water come from babe. See there? Up there, sit all up on the sidewalk. Yeah. Crazy rain. Come on, brother, you don't come out.
I don't like drive when every rain a fall, you know.
Yeah. Nah, no problem with it. I just the flood out road them. Just that. To reach my ugly part road there now. Well, almost.
Yes. Look on the road.
Flood out.
Floodings.
Flood. Watch it. Flood. Flood. See that? Police have a pull up. Police have
Choker all cement broke down. Police have out here.
Yeah. And almost. And then pull up on that and that empty in 20 minutes.
Yeah. Get buff and cement get take away.
Yeah. Less than 20 minutes.
It's not funny.
But I'm not lie.
Real thing.
Cement. They really have
But they reach so fast. So the police them, I pass and see.
As I brought down them probably call the police them man. Then I must.
Oh.
You just only take one or two person. Feet start take off two with the feet start, you know.
Yeah.
People love follow that I want him sure.
Them just want to see somebody do it.
They say, yeah, okay. Alright, let's go. That's it, you know?
That's it.
Which road is on the panel now?
On Mercy Street. No, we go on
Turn, we'll make a left here, so.
Old Market Road here, right here, so.
Old Market Road, it name?
Old Market Street.
Old Market Street. Oh, that's it there. Old Market Street. It's a right cross of the road that time. Anyway, road. We're in the heart of Spanish Town right now. So we go small road there go through.
Church there everywhere. All them road there with people that travel on.
Yeah. With all them road, them houses they're right on the main road.
Right on the road. Stop.
Yeah, so in a Spanish Town right now, and a beer rain, and trust me, you need to get out of Spanish Town before the traffic come down, cause it's go rough, can't manage it. That's what I say.
Spanish
So that I
traffic
pray.
not normal, and
Yeah.
the road them, the water flood out.
Yeah, but a good thing, so the rain kind of run off, look. Yeah. It's over there. You know?
Our place there again, mommy.
The water
The water.
place.
You have two places. One round there, so when you buy the meat from another road, you can
You have to tell me.
And remember, the only admission to the video is to like and subscribe.
Oh.
and you have
So which way we are going? We go straight or we are turn?
Going straight.
Straight. Alright. What part of market this here, so?
A market.
If you want to support the journey, if you want to support the movement, just hit the like button and press subscribe and come over to the KamRaze family. You know you're always welcome.
Period. We're going to one of the best or good tasting restaurant, in my opinion, in Crossroad. It's raining. It was raining heavily than this, but it kind of cooled down. Still a fall, but not as much as.
Yes, I know I kind of feel away because we lose the whole live footage a while ago. I don't know what happened, but I lose all live footage of my frames since there.
Oh, it would have been where you film since we would drive out today, this morning.
Yeah. A good thing say, I take off all of the other rest them off the camera from before I have it on my phone. Because I don't lose everything. The amount of footage I just lose off of the camera a while ago. We come like something click off. I don't know, something.
It could have did stop in a process.
It done gone, so I don't even know. But why? But so all them things there, man. All them things there. You live and you learn. That's what I say. You can't, in this life, it's like you can't stop learn. Can't stop learn. If you get up every day and you learn at least 5 things a day, something wrong. Because there's so much things that you can learn from every little things that happen. You understand? You can gain knowledge from it or see a different perspective. But the greatest thing in life, yeah, man, where you lost physically or material, I mean, any material where you lost, you can gain that back. You see, so the greatest thing in life, any footage we lose early on, we can't make that back. Well, we can't make back the same one unless we are going to go out our way for try for redo. I'm not depend on that. That's what I say. Yeah, so give thanks, yeah, man. Alright, I know we are going to one local restaurant because we actually go somewhere and it never, the system down, so basically they are waste. I mean, they are Sabah in a park and do a local video showing what go on and thing. And rain come down.